G'day folks, blue skies. Now Jane watched the tutorial, but she reckons it'd be better if we had a play along, or it'd be good if we had a play along. So I'm going to try and do this at 4 levels, starting off with the Z chord. I recommend you do the Z chord before you move on to whatever level you want to do, but that's up to you. The Z chord is a kind of swinging walk the dog, walk the dog, walk the dog, walk the dog. And walk the dog is a great way to remember how the like your jazz player play on his ride cymbal. Walk the dog, walk the dog. But it's important to remember the dog comes on 1 and 3. In this case, 1, 3, 4, 1, walk the dog, walk the dog. The sun ain't shining so bright. I never saw things 7 going so right. Noticing the days hurrying by. When you're in love, 7 miles they fly away. I'm on a pace, all of them gone. Nothing but blue skies from now on. Next level. Blue skies smiling at me. Nothing but blue skies do I see. Bluebirds singing a song. Nothing but blue skies. bit. And it gives us a fifth level. Saw the sun shining so bright. I never saw things going so bright. Noticing the days hurrying by. When you're in love, my how they fly. Days, all of them gone. Nothing but blue skies. From now on, from now on. That was Blue Skies. Hope you had fun. You can play all those levels all through the whole thing. So play along with the whole thing. Not sure. There is a tutorial where I talk about the chords a bit that you might want to go and have a look at. Perhaps I'll link it like a professional ukulele YouTube person. Clearly I'm not, but I can pretend. Hey, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Tell me what you think of it. Tell me what you want more of.